speed or not. I'll try to keep you wiped off. But I had to ride. It's been about 2 weeks. Realized something today getting ready, that I don't have like any waterproof gear right now, and the stuff I have is like not for warmer weather. It's like winter gear. I'm gonna get absolutely soaked today. Still on the stock tires, they're holding up pretty good. Dude, I rolled my wrist. I can go down there. Let's go up and over. Whee! That hurt. Yeah, that stock tire works good. At least on the hard pack it's wet. Look at that. God damn. That's good. Losing fuel. These are new. See if they're signed. Whether it's real or not, I don't know. This is Jim Calfer though. Trying to clear out this hill. Comes right down, comes up across the road and beat it up. I haven't made this. It's real soft. Yeah, I know it's short and small, but it's soft. I think the problem is it's a second gear hill and I'm just going to be spinning up to the start. I'm just going to be spinning my nuts off in this wet leaves. Get out. Well, I made it. Again, clutch work. Glad I'm learning about that. I felt that front wheel coming up. I pulled in that clutch and we were all right. Feathered it up. Look, even turned. Temperature is supposed to drop all day. May even get some snow. It still feels comfortable. Excuse me. If I get up it. Ooh, look, I busted that log right over that log. I can aim that way. That's like the straightest shot. It's steeper. It's pretty steep here. Alright, I'm going to try a straighter shot if I can. Second gear. Kind of gonna roll up right there and then get it. Now that I got the hill beat in, I feel like it's gonna get slicker. Well, not what I planned to do. I think one more time. I gotta make it. It's like a thing now. I'm out of breath. I know it always sounds like in my videos I'm always out of breath, but if you put a camera right in front of your mouth while you're riding, you sound the same way. It's not like I have asthma or anything. It's just how it sounds. So I know my dad thinks it's hilarious that I huff and puff, but he don't realize how much he's breathing right into your face when that's where the camera's sitting. So. Really? As Big T says in the one video, I could lick the top. You know what that means? Gotta hit it again. Yeah, I'll take that. Wasn't revving as high as I'd like to be, but I made it. We're done with this hill for now. It's like a valley of puzzles up here. Weaseling through, or more like a maze, I mean. Valley of puzzles. Down here. Yeah. See, these signs didn't used to be right here. They saying they want me to go any higher than this anymore? Is it because it's hunting? Is it because someone put those up? Purple ribbon too. Ah, better respect it. Turning around. Bike started making a whining noise. And then I kind of stalled here for no reason. See if it fires back up. Maybe it's just hot, I'm hoping. Alright. No. I should probably stop with this for a while. Actually let it cool down, not just shut it off for a second. Let's hit that and then do that. Maybe I bent a brake. It's like, I don't know, and I probably tweaked the forks when I flipped her hard upside down. Yeah, we'll see. We'll let her cool down. Here's my target. What'd you say? Target? Well, while I'm out here, Walther P22. Haven't been fired yet. Just got it a little bit ago. Haven't no idea how it hits. But let's find out. I remember first time I shot a gun, I moved it. Said it again. Miss. There we go, got it. Hits better than my 9, I'll tell you that. Well, it has been raining the entire time I'm out. I'm soaked, having fun. I think I'm gonna go to the usual hole, valley, hicker, and then call her quits for today. Yeah, this is where I'm at. mud ain't too bad. I mean, that was fun. I might try hooking it to the right more. Ooh. Just made a trail with my face. Okay, let's assess this. Front tire in a mud hole, back tire up in the air to hill climb, but that may let me get the rear wheel spinning. So I knew that wasn't gonna work from the bottom, but I figured I might as well jump on it, right? Because it just spun right out of the gate. I feel like if you did drop in, it'd be easy. Let's try it without, though. Let's turn around one more time. But I was all over. Whew. Off to the side, off to the sizzy. It's a little steeper over here. Missed the trail, but I was bopping. Fuck. All right, there's the bike's over here. Really? Yeah, it's antifreeze. She boiling. I hate to abandon a hill, but after that last little crash, and as you can see, I'm completely soaked. I think I'm just gonna get up to where you can see, gonna get out to the left and get home, because it has not stopped raining since I got up here. As you could tell probably by how wet I am, how foggy it is, I mean, look at it. You can probably see the rain too. So thanks for watching this video. More to come. I beat the snot out of the KX today. Not abused it, but dropped it more times today than I think I have total so far. So yeah. Thanks for watching.